Hello learners! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and click notification bell. Sa araw na ito, ituturo ko ang solving quadratic equations by completing the square. In this method, it requires you to have the knowledge on perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that can be expressed as the square of a binomial. For example, itong trinomial na x raised to 2 plus 4x plus 4, that is equal to the quantity x plus 2 raised to 2. So, paano ba naging x plus 2 raised to 2? Para sa ating first term, which is x, we need to get the square root of the first term. What is the square root of x squared? X. Kaya, x dito. Para naman sa ating second term, dun sa value ni b, anong value ng b dito? 4. I-divide natin siya by 2. Pero dapat yung sagot doon, kapag release natin sa 2, equal doon sa ating c. So, try natin. So, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Kapag release natin sa 2, that is equal to 4. So, tama siya. Kaya naging x plus 2 raised to 2. Isa na siyang square of a binomial. Try ulit natin dito sa ikalawang example. X raised to 2 plus 10x plus 25. What is the square root of the first term? X. So, x dito. At yung ating second term, i-divide ulit natin by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. At kapag in-square natin or renaise natin by 2 si 5, that is equal to 25. Kaya ang ating second term ay 5. Kaya naging x plus 5 raised to 2 yung ating trinomial na x raised to 2 plus 10x plus 25. So, try natin ito. Magagamit natin yung knowledge na matututunan nyo dito sa pagsosolve natin mamaya. So, for example, we have x squared plus 8x plus blank. Para makuha natin yung last term natin, itong coefficient ni b, kailangan nating i-divide by 2 at saka pagkatapos i-erase na natin sa 2. So, yung coefficient ni b ay 8. So, 8 divided by 2 raised to 2. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 raised to 2 is equal to 16. So, kapag may 16 na dito, isa na siyang perfect square trinomial. Next, dito sa ikalawa, x squared plus 5x plus blank. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin. Si coefficient ni b, i-divide natin sa 2. Pagkatapos ay i-erase natin siya by 2. Okay? So, 5 divided by 2 raised to 2. So, that is equal to 25 over 4. Para sa ating example number 1, solve the quadratic equation x raised to 2 minus 2x minus 3 equals 0 using completing the square. Ang una nating gagawin ay i-transpose natin si negative 3 to the other side. Kaya meron na tayong x raised to 2 minus 2x equals 3. So, negative 3 siya dito sa ating original equation. Kaya nung transpose na natin ay naging positive na siya. So, ang susunod na gagawin ay si ating b ay i-divide na natin sa 2 and then i-erase natin siya by 2. Okay? So, ang ating b, ang coefficient ni b ay negative 2. So, negative 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. So, negative 2 divided by 2, we have negative 1 raised to 2 is equal to positive 1. At si positive 1, idadagdag natin siya sa parehong side. So, ito yung ating equation kanina. Idadagdagan natin ng 1 dito at sa kabilang side, dadagdagan din natin ng 1. So, we have x raised to 2 minus 2x plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. So, si x squared minus 2x plus 1, kailangan na natin siyang gawing square of a binomial. So, ito siya. X minus 1 raised to 2 ay the same as x squared minus 2x plus 1. Ginawa lang natin siyang square of a binomial. Is equal to 3 plus 1 equals 4. Kukunin natin ang square root ng both sides. So, we have the square root of x minus 1 raised to 2, tapos square root ni 4. So, ang square root ni x minus 1 raised to 2 ay x minus 1. Ang square root naman ni 4 ay positive at negative 2. So, dahil positive and negative 2 ang square root ni 4, meron tayong dalawang equation. So, dito sa una ay, ang gagamitin natin ay yung positive 2. X equals yung positive 2 at itong negative 1, itatranspose natin sa kabilang side, kaya magiging plus 1. So, x equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. Dito naman sa kabila, yung negative 2 yung gagamitin natin. Negative 2, ganun pa rin. Plus 1 pa rin pag transpose natin. Plus 1 equals negative 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the solutions are x equals 3 and x equals negative 1. Sa ating example number 2, solve the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 12x minus 14 equals 0 using completing the square. So, kung napapansin nyo, yung ating A, B, at C, sila ay divisible by 2. Kaya, i-divide na natin silang lahat by 2. So, 2x raised to 2 divided by 2 is equal to x squared plus 12x divided by 2 is equal to 6x minus 14 divided by 2 is equal to negative 7 equals 0. So, transpose na natin si negative 7 to the other side. So, we have x squared plus 6x equals 7. At si b ay i-divide na natin by 2 and then raise it by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 raised to 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3 raised to 2. That is equal to 9. So, yung 9, i-add na natin sa magkabilang side ng ating equation. Ito yung ating equation. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 9 dito, mag-a-add din tayo ng 9 doon. So, we have now x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. So, itong ating trinomial ay express na natin into square of a binomial. So, yung ating x raised to 2 plus 6x plus 9 is the same as x plus 3 raised to 2. The same lang yung kanilang value. Ginawa lang natin siyang square of a binomial. Equals 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. And then, kukunin natin yung square root ng both side. So, yung square root ng x plus 3 raised to 2 is x plus 3. At yung square root naman ng 16 ay positive and negative 4. So, we have this now, yung ating dalawang equation. Gagamitin ulit natin yung positive. Yung unang gagamitin natin is yung positive. So, x is equal to positive 4. When we transpose this positive 3 to the other side, magiging negative 3. Kaya meron tayong 4 minus 3 equals 1. Dito naman, yung negative 4 ang gagamitin natin. X equals negative 4 minus 3 equals negative 7. So therefore, the solutions are x equals 1 and x equals negative 7. Sa ating ikatlong example, solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals 0 using the completing the square. So we need to transpose 25 to the other side. So since this is positive, pag transpose natin, magiging negative. And then, si b or si negative 10, i-divide na natin siya by 2. And then, i-erase natin by 2. So, negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5 raised to 2. That is equal to positive 25. And then, i-add natin dito sa side na to. And then, i-add din natin sa kabilang side. So, we have x squared minus 10x plus 25 equals negative 25 plus 25. So, ang square of a binomial ng trinomial na ito ay x plus 5 raised to 2 equals negative 25 plus 25 equals 0. We get the square root of x minus 5 raised to 2. So, we have x minus 5. So, that is x equals 5. So, therefore, the solution is x equals 5.